how to add telephone voice effect on your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page right here. Now all what you have to do is import or open your file. This is my audio, as you can see. Now select it and click here on effect and go down, click on equalization. If you didn't find this equalization effect, go and download the old version of Audacity. Click on it and go down here to select curve. Click on telephone. After you click on telephone option, you will have the telephone effect on your voice. Let's try it. How to media. This is just a test audio. And this is before the effect. How to media. This is just a test audio. Please, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.